Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the ultimate love reality TV show. Most housemates are misbehaving because they are jobless, Nkechi says. Nkechi is one of the housemates of the new reality TV show, and she has dropped a statement that got people talking. Nkechi, while interacting with Louis, stated her own opinion why most of the housemates are misbehaving. According to her, fellow housemates are misbehaving because they are jobless, assuming they have something doing, they won't be behaving the way they do currently. Nkechi also stated she was coming to the audition from work and she knew how stressful it was for her. Recall Nkechi and Jay are ultimate love couple in the new reality TV show known as Ultimate Love. Both appeared to search for their ultimate love with the couple named Nkechi. While discussing with Louis, she also disclosed that she is a science student but practicing marketing at the moment. This Ultimate Love reality show will add to my career by presenting me to the entertainment industry, she added. Reacting to what Nkechi said, that most housemates are jobless, Twitter users comment and ask her if she's the only one working. Someone said, "Interesting how these people seem to know so much about other people's relationship but know nothing about themselves." Another person said, "So Aunty Nkechi, na only you dey work, abi? Others are jobless." Don't mind her. So guys, what do you think about what Nkechi said? I know recently this housemate are misbehaving, but who cares anyway? So drop your comments in the section below, and if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.